Hello, Wild Badger folks. This is Terry Hoover, Hoove45 on my social YouTube channel. I have your product here. This is the multi-tool 3-in-1 trimmer. I made a video for my YouTube channel, which I have sent to the marketing person, and I also made an Amazon shoppable video and have driven, I think, 6 or 7 sales at this point. And I got this tool at the end of May, and I used it the one time to make the video. It probably has a running time of about 30 minutes. It's definitely less than an hour. I only used it to make the video that first time at the end of May, and I weed eated a little bit on the side of my yard here, and then I took off the weed eater attachment, trimmer attachment, and used it to, with this tool here for the edger. I edged both sides of my driveway right there. In the review video, I only used, you only saw me using it on this side of my driveway, and then I took the edger attachment off, and I have a small little area of hedges right there, probably 12 feet across, and I used the trimmer attachment for that. Okay. And I did not use the brush heavy weeds trimmer. I just talked about it with the metal piece. Okay, so I've only used it the one time. This is the fuel that I put in it. This is the True Fuel 50-to-1 mix. That's from Home Depot. And when I started it up, and when I made the video, it started it up immediately with that mixture, and then it sat for a couple of weeks. And I haven't put any more fuel in it. This is how much fuel it has right here. So basically, I tried a couple of weeks later to use the edger. The main reason I wanted it was for the edger, and I couldn't get it started. And so I let it sit for another week or so, and just a few days ago, my son and I cut the grass again, and he's young, 23 or so, strong. So I wanted to see if he could get it started. So we tried and tried, guys. It will not start. I even took off the top here and used the tool that you sent me, and took out the spark plug from right here on this side and wiped it off with a paper towel and inspected it and just wiped off some of the oil that was on it or whatever, and tightened it back in, and have tried again. It will not start. It will not start. So I'm gonna show you right here. I'll push the primer bulb. I thought maybe the first time, maybe it was flooded. Maybe I pushed it too many times. So, so this will be the third time since using it for the first time. So this will be the third attempt to get it to start. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So there is fuel in the fuel lines right here. I've got it on. Got it pulled up to choke. Two, 3, maybe. All right, so the very first pull, it almost wanted to start, and that happened one time, last time with my son. There was one pull where it felt like it was about to start. But after that, nothing last time. That very first pull right here, it almost wanted to start. I pushed it 3 more times. Push it one time, maybe. All right, I'm gonna hold the throttle here, or the. I'm gonna push this down, hold this in a little bit. No. 1, 2, 3. Sounded like it wanted to start the very first time. After that, nothing. That's the same thing that happened last time with me and my son. We had one pull early on that sounded like it was going to work. And after that, nothing. So, I don't know what the problem is.